In this example, the standard rate of tax is 20% and the higher rate is 41%. The standard rate cutoff point is 32,800. Sandra has a gross income of 47,500 and tax credits of 2,450. Calculate her net income ignoring PRSI and USC. PRSI and USC are two other taxes that we have to pay, and we'll look at those when we move on to the next section. But for now, all we have to do is look at the income tax. So this question is like the last one. So we have to calculate her standard rate of tax. Remember, the standard rate of tax is the standard rate cutoff point multiplied by 20%, and that gives us 6,560. Okay, her higher rate of tax is the standard rate cutoff, or the gross wages, which is 47,500. Take away her standard rate cutoff point, which is 32,800, and multiply that by 0.41, and that gives us 6,027 euro. So her gross tax in this case, we would have to add these two numbers together, the 6,560 and 6,027 euro, gives us a gross tax of 12,587. To work out how much tax she actually pays, we have to take away our tax credits, which are 2,480, and then we take away the tax credits. We find out that she actually pays 10,137 euro in tax. So how much money does she have for the year? The amount of money she gets for the year is 47,500, the gross wages. Take away the tax payable, or her net tax, and you get 37,363 euro.